Good morning, everyone. I would like to welcome you all to the listing ceremony of Resgen Limited and ITCONS E-Solutions Limited. Firstly, I will request all the DIAS members to please come on the stage. Mr. Girish Joshi, Chief Trading Operation and Listing Sales, PSC Limited. Sir, please. Okay, so firstly we'll start with the national anthem. I would request all of the guests to please stand up.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे.
Thank you, everyone. I would request you all to please settle down. Moving forward, I would request Mr. Girish Joshi, Chief Trading Operation and Sales, to please come on the dais. Please have a big round of applause. Next, Mr. Ajay Thakur, Head SME and Startup, BSE Limited. Sir, please. Mr. Karan Atul Bora, Promoter and Managing Director of Resgen Limited. Mr. Gaurav Mittal, Promoter and Managing Director of ITCONS E-Solutions Limited. Mr. Ramakrishna Iyengar, Managing Director of Ensure Management Services Limited. So, moving forward, any ceremony is incomplete without taking the blessing of our gods. So, I would request all the guests to please move forward for lighting of lamp. All the dais members, family members of both the companies, please move forward. I would request the family members of Resgen Limited and IT Solutions Econ Limited, please come forward. Thank you, everyone. Please settle down. Moving forward, any event is incomplete without the valuable words of our dignitaries. So I will request Mr. Girish Joshi to please move forward for a few words. So please.
Good morning, everybody, and a warm welcome present here today for the listing ceremony of Resgen Limited and ITCONS eSolution Limited on the BSE SME platform. On behalf of BSE, I would like to welcome our Ajay Thakur, Head BSE and SME, Mr. Karan Atul Bora, Promoter and Managing Director, Resgen, Sri Alok Harlalka, Managing Director, Greatex Corporate Services, S. Ramakrishna Iyer, Managing Director, Finsor, Sri Gaurav Mittal, Managing Director, ITCONS eSolutions. My heartiest congratulations to Resgen Limited and ITCONS Limited on the success of its public offer, which was oversubscribed by 3.61 and 18.81 times, respectively. Resgen Limited's retail category was oversubscribed 3.82 times, while ITCONS eSolution Limited retail category was oversubscribed 16.45 times. Resgen Limited and ITCONS eSolution Limited's non-institutional category were also subscribed 3.29 times and 16.5 times respectively. It's a very good achievement. Congratulations. BSE has emerged as the market leader in the SME segment, and the platform is a preferred avenue for capital formation and wealth creation. Today, we have a total of 421 companies which have been listed on BSE SME platform with a market capitalization over rupees 60,000 crore. BSE SME has made significant contribution to industrial progress by providing employment and entrepreneurial possibilities in both urban and rural areas across India. It has added to the GDP growth of the country and has promoted balanced economic growth in India. Once again, I welcome Resgen Limited and ITCONS eSolution Limited to the BSE SME family and extend my best wishes to its entire team and its merchant bankers on this momentous occasion. I am positive that firms will develop and generate good returns to all its stakeholders. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir. Moving forward, I would request Mr. Karan Atul Bora to please come near the dais for his few words.
Good morning, everyone. Respected dignitaries, Shri Girish Joshi ji, Chief Trading Operations and Listing Sales, BSE Limited. Mr. Ajay Thakur ji, Head BSE and SME, BSE Limited. Mr. Gaurav Mittal, Promoter and Managing Director, ITCONS eSolutions Limited. Alok Harlalka ji, our Merchant Banker. Mr. Ramakrishna Iyer, Managing Director, Finsor Management Services Limited. Ms. Swati Jain, ma'am, Promoter, ITCONS eSolutions Limited. A very warm welcome to you all. Sorry, I missed Geeta Jain, ma'am, Honorable Member of Legislative Assembly. So, we at Resgen basically are a chemical recycling unit set up in the outskirts of Mumbai and Palghar, and happened to start our journey early on in 2018. It's been about 5 years of hard work and efforts until we basically set up our unit early last year. About 2020 is when we happened to set up a commercial facility. And about July 2021 is when we started commercial operations. It's been a year and a half of successful operations. And so we are fortunate to be able to get listed on BSE at this early stage. Basically, as you all know, about plastic has been a global issue. About 3,000 metric tons of plastic being generated every day in Vapi and surrounding vicinities. This plastic has been a global issue. About basically 3,000 tons plastic coming from 3 major industries: mechanical recycling, reject, second being plastic coming from paper mills, and the third being multi-layered plastic industries. We are processing all of this plastic and making valuable fuel out of it, carbon and gas that we use to fuel our burners. Basically, we see tremendous scope in the years to come in this industry, and we look to take it up heads on. Once again, I'd like to thank all our investors, all the stakeholders, and we promise to give in our 200% to be able to take this company multifold. Thank you so much, everyone.
Thank you so much, Karan. Moving forward, I would request Mr. Gaurav Mittal, Managing Director of ITCONS E-Solutions Limited, to please come near the dais for a few words.
Thank you, ma'am. Good morning, everyone. First of all, I would like to extend my thanks to Girish ji, Ajay ji. From our team side, Finshore team led by Ramaji, Cameo side, the RTA, Nikunj, market maker, ICICI Bank, banker to the issue, our statutory auditor, internal auditor, and the investors who have kept a good faith into us, because of which we could got oversubscribed and the day for us today. My sincere thanks to Dilip ji also, who on my request came here to bless the occasion. I am sure people know Dilip ji very well, everyone. ITCONS was started way back in 2007 on 15th May. 2 लोगों से शुरू हुई जर्नी, धीरे धीरे लोग जुड़ते चले गए, कारवां बनता चला गया. Today, as on today, we employ more than 1,100 people. We are a staffing and recruitment organization, but majorly focusing on staffing services in the IT and non-IT domain. And now, it's a rapid growth after associating with BSE SME Exchange. The clients, they have got more faith into us. And my sincere thanks to Ajay ji, with whom I had a call, I think 6-7 months back, and I was really impressed and made up the mind to get listed. The investors who have shown the faith, since they have put a good faith onto us, my promise, and I, as a promoter, director, managing director, will put best of my efforts in terms of ensuring the company's capitalization, the market cap keep on increasing on day and daily basis. And that's what the promise from the promoter side. And thank you so much, everyone.
Thank you so much, sir, for sharing your journey with us. Moving forward, I would request Mr. Alok Harlalka, Managing Director of Gretex Corporate Services Limited, for his few words.
Good morning, everyone. It's my pleasure to say that today another company, Resgen Limited, have got listed under the banner of Gretex Corporate Services Limited. It's a proud moment for Gretex, and I also welcome the chief guest of today's CBO, from BSE, Mr. Girish Joshi. I also welcome the BSE SME head, Mr. Ajay Thakur. I also welcome the promoter and directors of ITCONS Limited, and I also welcome the managing director, the promoter from Finsure Management, Mr. Ram Krishna, and all the guests who are sitting here today and celebrating today's this occasion of listing ceremony of Resgen Limited and ITCONS Limited. Friends, it is my pleasure again to share that this company, the promoter who are sitting here today, we got listed another company from the same promoter, company called Marco Lines Traffic Controls Limited. It has got listed in the year 2021, August 21. We got listed. So it is pride moment again that same promoter have come forward again and got listed again under the banner of GetX. So the issue details I want to share with you all. This Resgen Limited, 60 lakh number of shares has been issued, and out of 47 was the issue price, and issue has got oversubscribed by 2.38 times. Even this, after this market got crashed, we must all aware about that because of Adani and all, market was drastically down, but because of the faith of the investors in the company, issue has got oversubscribed. So it is privilege for us. And I want to give thanks to all the intermediaries who have appointed, we have appointed them for having this issue done. Registrar to the issue, market maker to the issue, and underwriter to the issue, and statutory auditor, all the intermediaries who have supported us for having this success listing of this company, Resgen Limited. I compliment to all the investors who have invested in this company, and I'm sure that the kind of performance which definitely Karan is going to do in the company, so company is going to reach in a higher, in a different higher height. So I'm sure this all the investors will make money in the time during the coming 2-3 years. Thank you so much again. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Next, I would request Mr. Ramakrishna Iyengar, Managing Director of Finsure Management Services Limited, to give his few words.
A very good morning to all the dignitaries on stage. Girish sir, Ajay sir, Gaurav Mittal sir, Alok ji from GetX, and the MD of Resgen, and to all the ladies and gentlemen present here. It's a proud moment for Finsure to be the lead manager for the SME IPO of ITCONS e-Solutions, and I'm grateful to Gaurav sir for having the faith in us, for trusting us, for the successful execution. And I'm grateful and I'm thankful to my Almighty to have successfully executed to the satisfaction of the promoter. The issue size of ITCONS is 8 crore 67, consisting of 17 lakh equity shares with an issue price of 51. And as already, from BSE also they have said, so it is oversubscribed by more than 16 times. And I'm grateful to the entire team of ITCONS and my Finsure team. My core team members are also here, who were instrumental, in successful execution of this IPO. I'm also grateful to all the intermediaries, Cameo, our legal advisor, market maker, banker, without whose support actually, it was not possible. And most important actually, I'm thankful to the entire BSE team, without whose wholehearted support this IPO was not possible. And thank you, sir. From the entire Finsure team, we would like to congratulate Gaurav sir for the successful IPO, and we wish him and his team the best for his future endeavors and for value creation for all the stakeholders. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Next, we have with us is Mr. Ajay Thakur. Sir, I would like a few words from you.
Respected dignitaries on the dais, Sri Girish Joshi, Sri Karan Atul Bora, Dr. Gaurav Mittal, Alok Harlalka ji, Ramkrishna ji, and it's today my honor to also invite the Member of Legislative Assembly, Srimati Geeta Jain ji. It's our privilege and pleasure that you are here. You know, many of us have forgotten, but today is a historical date because 11 years back, on 13th March 2012, we have launched this SME platform. So today is the foundation day of BSE SME platform. I still remember those days when I was single-handedly given the responsibility to start this SME platform. There was altogether pessimism. Nobody was ready to believe this SME platform. And today we are completing 11 successful years of launching the BSE SME platform. In these 11 years, we have met almost 50,000 promoters across the country. We have successfully brought 500 companies on the SME platform. Out of that, 424 companies listed. And let me tell you, this year, this financial year, has been one of the best years for the SME platform because we have received maximum DRSP, that is almost 95 DRSP this year. And today it is going to have 54 companies listed. Perhaps if there will not have been the disruptions in the ROC website, we could have seen another 25 companies getting listed on the SME platform. So this has been a great year for the SME platform. And let me tell you, we have created so many milestones this year. We have crossed 400 milestone in October. And let me tell you, we have created history on that day. Because I don't remember even in the history of the stock exchange on a single day, we have got 8 companies listed on the BSE SME platform on a single day. And this year, 3 consecutive times, we have got an every day, 3 consecutive times, we have got 2 SMEs listed on the platform. It has never happened in the history of the capital market or in the stock exchange that on single day, 2 companies got listed on the SME platform. Today, it's a great day for us. 2 companies on the foundation day are getting listed on the SME platform. Both, one company is into green energy, Resgen. The young chap is doing great. Now the future is in your hand. Dr. Gaurav Mittal ji, I have the opportunity to meet him in Delhi also. And thank you for believing in us, trusting in us, and getting your company listed onto the SME platform of the stock exchange. I am the most happiest person because in these 11 years, I think this achievement, this satisfaction I have never got any time in my career. So I think there are miles to go. I think the SME platform is now going to attract a lot of SMEs. Recently, MD in SOCM event in Kolkata said that we want every year 500 SMEs to get listed on the SME platform. I think the way the things are happening, the way the things are evolving, I'm quite sure that in 5-10 years, we'll see 2,000 to 3,000 or even 5,000 SMEs getting listed and creating employment, creating wealth creation, because a stock exchange is nothing a place of wealth creation. So I think we are going through the stock exchange, we are going to contribute to the GDP of the country and keep on bringing such, sunrise sectors on our SME platform. Today is a great day for me, emotional day for me, of course. Once again, before I complete my speech, I congratulate you, Karan. I congratulate you, Dr. Gaurav Mittal. This is the 423rd and 424th companies today to get listed on the SME platform. You people have got very good subscription. If I am not wrong, almost 3 times subscription and 17 times subscription respectively in such a devastating market. when in last 6-7 months, let me tell you, we have not seen much of the companies coming onto the main board. But on the SME platform, even one company are attracting 5,600 crores of subscription. You can understand what's the vibrancy this SME platform is creating. I think today on this date, I thank all my colleagues in BSc, whether it's in business development, whether in operational side, my seniors, my juniors, my colleagues who have contributed in a big way to keep all of us moving and creating a great platform in this country. I wish once again all of you best in the near future. Thanks a lot. My blessings with you all. Thank you.
Now the moment has come for which we all have been waiting, for the ringing of gong for Resgen Limited and ITCONS eSolutions Limited. I would request the promoters to please come forward near the gong. I would request the family members please come forward of Resgen Limited and ITCONS Solutions Limited. I would request you all to please sit down and click the pictures, as we are also recording and you'll get all the video clips in. I would request everyone to please join me in the countdown. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. A great round of applause for everyone. I would request everyone to please settle down to move the ceremony ahead. Thank you, everyone. Moving forward to the felicitation for the event, I would request Mr. Ajay Thakur and Mr. Girish Joshi to please felicitate our guest. First memento will be to Ms. Geeta Bharat Jain, member of the Legislative Assembly of Maharashtra. First memento will be given to Mr. Karan Bora, Kunal Bora, promoters of Resgen Limited. A big round of applause, everyone. Second memento to Mr. Gaurav Mittal and Mrs. Swati Jain, promoters of ITCONS E-Solutions Limited. Memento to Mr. Alok Harlalka, Managing Director, Gretex Corporate Services Limited. To Mr. Ramakrishna Iyengar, Managing Director of Finshore Management Services Limited. Last but not the least, to Ms. Geeta Bharat Jain, member of Legislative Assembly of Maharashtra, our special guest. Moving forward, I would request Giri sir and Ajay sir to please settle down. Now I would request promoters of Resgen Limited, Mr. Karan Bora and Mr. Kunal Bora, to please come forward to feliciting our guest. First memento to Ms. Geeta Bharat Jain, member of Legislative Assembly of Maharashtra. Memento to Mr. Girish Joshi. Memento to Mr. Ajay Thakur. Memento to Mr. Manu Thomas. Oh, okay. Moving forward, memento to Mr. Alok Harlalka, Gretex Corporate Services Limited. Next, memento to the entire team of Gretex Corporate Services Limited. I would request the team to please come forward. Now I would request Mr. Alok Harlalka to please come forward to give felicitation on behalf of Gretex Corporate Services Limited. First memento to Ms. Geeta Bharat Jain, Member of Legislative Assembly of Maharashtra. Second to Mr. Girish Joshi. To Mr. Ajay Thakur. So please. To the promoters of Resgen Limited, Mr. Karan Bora and Mr. Kunal Bora. Now I request Alok sir to please settle down. Moving forward, felicitation by ITCONS E-Solutions Limited. I would request the Managing Director to please come forward. First memento to Ms. Geeta Bharat Jain, member of the Legislative Assembly of Maharashtra. Mr. Girish Joshi. Mr. Ajay Thakur. Mr. Ramakrishnan Iyengar. Memento to Cameo, registrar to the issue. Mr. Dilip Davda, IPO analyst. J. Mukherjee and Associates, legal advisor to the ITCONS. Mr. Vimal Kumar, internal auditor to the company. Big round of applause, please. And the entire team of ITCONS, please come forward. Moving forward, I would request Mr. Kunal Bora to please come forward for a vote of thanks.
Good morning, everyone. On behalf of Team Resgen and Team ITCONS, I would like to thank all our esteemed guests, Mr. Girish G. Joshi, Mr. Ajay G. Thakur, promoter, MD of Greatex Corporate Services Limited, Mr. Alok Harlalka, and the team from Finshore Management Services Limited. A special vote of thanks to Mrs. Geeta Jain, ma'am, Member of Legislative Assembly, and to everybody present here. Once again, I would like to thank all of you all for being present here and gracing the occasion. Thank you.
Dear guests, we have arranged for breakfast on the left-hand side. We can join for the breakfast.
Share.